TD supports the financial needs of millions of customers, and to best serve those customers, it was time for an upgrade.
We started our network automation journey in 2022 with the intent of currencying over 1,200 branches in the US.
But upgrades to infrastructure are complex.
When you think about all of the components inside a branch, we had to have very tight windows. And I'm talking maybe 9 until 11 o'clock. We were never going to be able to do this scope, and we were going to burn people out unless we automated each and every one of those individual actions.
That's where TD turned to Red Hat for help.
So Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform has become foundational for how TD does network automation, streamlining the way that we're automating things like network upgrades.
As a small automation team, we use AI assist development to speed up our work. Night after night, we see our automation come to life. When infrastructure is working the way it's supposed to be, it's invisible.
That infrastructure opened the door for even greater efficiency.
With that foundation in place, it truly allowed us to go to advanced provisioning use cases like changing templates within branch configurations, rolling out new campuses at speed with automation. We now have over 100 playbooks that allow us to enact change and truly touch all of our portfolio from an automation perspective.
So how did automation help the TD IT team avoid working long nights?
Every day we will be able to close the change in 1.5 to 2 hours.
We started at 2, we went to 4, and then we went to 8, and then eventually we were doing 20 to 24 retail locations every night.
At TD, our focus is more human. How we are executing for the business from a technology perspective drives customer outcomes, drives banking outcomes, and only provides a more enriched experience for our customers.